Good day, my dear students. This is week 7, session 20. Today we are going to learn about coordination and subordination conjunctions. Conjunctions means what is connecting two sentences together. This presentation covers the difference between coordination and subordination and the relationship between clauses within a sentence. Should I coordinate with for, or would it be better to subordinate with because? We will go deeper into examples and understand this more. Coordination gives equal attention to two items. Use coordinating conjunctions like and, but, for, or, nor, yet, so. For example, the dog ate Marvin's favorite tie. The cat rubbed white hair on Marvin's black suit. How can I join those two sentences using coordination? The dog ate Marvin's favorite tie, and the cat rubbed white hair on Marvin's black suit. So, equal attention to two items have been happening together. Both clauses could stand alone. When joined with and, they get equal attention. You can also coordinate with a semicolon, main clause, semicolon, main clause, or main clause, transition, main clause, using semicolon and comma. The interviewer had 7 Persian cats, full stop. She could understand Marvin's predicament. The interviewer had 7 Persian cats. This is one main clause. She would understand Marvin's predicament. Or, the interviewer had 7 Persian cats. As a result, she would understand Marvin's predicament. As a result is a transitional phase between one main clause and another main clause. Still balanced in the 3 options. Here are the subordinate conjunctions: after, although, as, because, before, even though, if, even if, in order that, once, provided that, since. So here means that implied. So it happens that it goes like this, for example. So that, then, that, though, unless, when, whenever, where, wherever, whereas, whether, while. Subordination gives less attention to one idea so that the other has emphasis. Use subordinate conjunctions such as because, even though, and when. Marvin tried to clean his suit. He was late to the interview. Since Marvin tried to clean his suit, he was late to the interview. So, cleaning the suit caused Marvin to be late to his interview, and the cat is sorry. Use a comma if you subordinate the first of the two clauses. Subordinate clause, comma, main clause. For example, cat hair clung to Marvin's pant legs. He still got the job. Even though Cat hair clung to Marvin's pants legs. He still got the job. The first clause is less important. The second clause has more emphasis because its thought is complete. He still got the job. Use no punctuation if you subordinate the second of the two clauses. Main clause, nothing, subordinate clause. Marvin smiled at his success. Cat hair wafted in his wake. Marvin smiled at his success as cat hair wafted in his wake. Now, the first clause is the most important. The second clause has less emphasis because its thought is incomplete. Quick test directions. In the items that follow, choose the most effective word or phrase within the context suggested by the sentence. Show me what you know. Item 1. Thomas scores 100 on the final exam. He cannot pass college algebra as class he is taking for the third time. So, to make it more clear, we are going to use unless. Unless Thomas scores 100. So, it means that Thomas must score 100, otherwise he cannot pass college algebra class. Item 2. Mackenzie's clarinet squealed like a startled puppy. She hadn't practiced in weeks. Sorry. So Mackenzie used a clarinet, but the voice was like a puppy, oh, 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 because she was not practicing for weeks. So we are going to use for. Mackenzie's clarinet squealed like a startled puppy, for she hadn't practiced in weeks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to do your homework after this video.